Windows allows us to restore our computer to a previous version of itself, let's say before you may have installed software you don't want any longer. We start by typing restore in the search bar, and as you can see, create a restore point will come up. We click on it. A menu box will come up and it will allow you to create a restore point by clicking on it. I usually enter a date to remember when I created the restore point that I may want to back up to again. Furthermore, we can also from here do a system restore, a previous system restore. It will allow us to pick from a date or an event that may have created the restore point by just clicking on it and then allowing the restore. It'll take 10 to 15 minutes and you'll have it restored.